Hello everyone, welcome to Learn with Israel YouTube channel. I urge everyone to like, share and subscribe to my channel in order to get more episodes on the biology we are starting today. We are starting with episode 1 and we are still having a lot of episodes to do. Please share, like and subscribe to this video now. So let's start now. Question 1. The causative agent of tuberculosis is bacteria called dash. A. River blindness, B. syphilis, C. poliomyelitis, D. mycobacterium. The correct answer here is Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Mycobacterium tuberculosis is the agent that causes tuberculosis in the body, is the causative agent. Poliomyelitis is caused by virus and it attacks nervous system. Which can also lead to death, so it's wrong. Syphilis is also wrong. River blindness causes itching. It causes itching or scratching of the body and can lead to permanent blindness. Is also wrong. So the correct answer is Mycobacterium tuberculosis. They always ask this question, so note it. Question 2. The use and disuse of organ and acquired trait was proposed by dash. A. Hugo de Vries, B. Darwin Charles, C. Jean Lamarck, and D. Dilliam Bateson. Dilliam Bateson talks about genetics. Him and Gregor Mendel, who is out of here, didn't talk about use and disuse of organ. Jean Lamarck is the one that talked about use and disuse of organ. Jean Lamarck is the correct answer. Charles Darwin talks about natural selection, which is also known as all organisms struggle to survive in an habitat. So for Hugo de Vries talk about organic evolution. So it's also wrong. Darwin Charles, the person that talked about the use and disuse of organ and acquired trait was proposed by Jean Lamarck. Is the one that talked about it. Question 3. Dash is responsible for osmoregulation. Lungs, kidney, liver, heart. Heart is out of it. Heart is not responsible for it. The liver is not responsible. The liver is responsible for detoxification in the body. The kidney is the one responsible for it. And what is osmoregulation? Osmoregulation is the process in which the kidney regulates water in the body and excrete excess water. That's osmoregulation. Excrete excess water in the body. That's the way the kidney perform the work of osmoregulation. Lungs is also out. Lungs deals with respiration, as we all know. Let's move to question 4. So before we continue, I urge everyone to like this video now. Go and like the video now. It doesn't bite. Share to your friends that we need the video and subscribe to the channel. And if you are in need of a tutor, you can chat me on WhatsApp 08034291901. Thank you. So let's continue. Question 4. The heart has how many chambers? You guys should be able to answer this question. I'll count 5 seconds for you to answer this particular question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the correct answer is 4. The heart has 4 chambers. Let me list it. We have the right auricle, the left, we have the right ventricle, and left ventricle. So these four are very important. Note it: the right auricle, left auricle, right ventricle, and left ventricle. So 3, 1, and 2 are all eliminated. Question 5. Dash is responsible for detoxification in the body: the liver, spleen, kidney, and the urethra. I think I already answered this question in question 3, where I explained that the liver is responsible for detoxification. This is option A. The liver is responsible for detoxification in the body. The spleen fights against infection. That's the function. It fights against infection. It is not a white blood cell, but it fights against infection. And we all know that kidney deals with osmoregulation. While the urethra, it passes urine from the bladder out of the body. You can screenshot it. The urethra passes urine from the bladder out of the body. So question 6, I think you understand that now. So question 6, the alternate form of a gene is called dash: A, chromosome; B, genotype; C, allele; and D, meiosis. Meiosis is a cell division into 4 daughter cells. And the correct answer here is allele. The alternate form of a gene is allele, while genotype is the combination of allele. This question is very common in JAMB. They can't do without asking this question, so I want you guys to note it. While chromosome is a thread-like structure, and in human being we have 46 chromosomes and we have 23 pairs of chromosome. Note it: we have 23 pairs of chromosome. The component of blood that carries oxygen throughout the body is dash: A, red blood cell; RBC is also known as red blood cell; WBC is also known as white blood cell; C, plasma; and D, platelets. So the correct answer here is red blood cell. It's the one that carries oxygen throughout the body. Why white blood cell fight against infection? It fights against infection, and it serves as immune system to the body. It fights against infection. So plasma, I think plasma is yellowish in color. Why platelet? Platelet is blood clotting. Once an accident occurs, it clots the blood from wasting, from losing much blood. That's the work of platelets. So question 8, the inner part of the ear responsible for hearing and balancing is called dash: A, sulcus; B, ampullae; C, pinnae; and D, cochlea. The correct answer is cochlea. All the sulcus, ampullae, pinnae are also part of the ear, inner part of the ear, but the correct answer here is cochlea. This is a calculation. The total number of a population is 2,310,000 and the area is 2,310 square. Calculate the population density: A, 500; B, 600; C, 1,000; D, 500. How are we going to calculate the PD, which is the population density? We are going to calculate the total number of the population, P, because of space, that's why I use it as P, and over the area. So the total number is 2,310,000 over the area, which is 2,310. So let's cancel 0, 0 cancel 0. 231 cancel 231. So the answer here is 1,000, which is C. The correct answer here is 1,000. So I think we all get it now. Or better still, if you don't get how I did it that way, you can just say this one cancel this one, you will still remain 1000. So the correct answer is 1000. I hope you understand it now. The part of the kidney that help in blood filtering is dash: Henle's loop, Bowman capsule, C glomerulus, D, B and C. B and C is out. It's only one that is responsible for blood filtering, which is the glomerulus. Bowman capsule is surrounded by the Bowman capsule surround the glomerulus. Bowman capsule surround the glomerulus, while Henle's loop is also out. Henle's loop is out. Bowman capsule is like U shape. It's like U shape. If you can search, try to search the image of Bowman capsule or the image of kidney online, so you can have better understanding of how Bowman capsule looks like. So question 11, before we continue, I want us to like this video right now. Go and like that video now. Share it to your friends and your loved ones that need the video, and subscribe to the channel. Subscribe. And if you are in need of a tutorial, you can chat me on WhatsApp 08034291901. Thank you. Question 11. The medium of transportation in plant is known as dash: A, auxin, B, xylem, C, cambium, and D, cell sap. We are going to explain all the options as we have been doing. Cell sap is the correct answer. Cell sap is the medium of transportation in plant, while cambium is involved in secondary growth in plant, secondary division rather. Xylem serves as water, in the plant, while phloem provide food, but phloem is not in the option. Phloem provide food, while xylem provide water for the plant. Auxin is out. Auxin is a plant hormone. So if they ask any of these options as a question, you'll be able to answer. That's why I'm trying to explain all the options to you guys. Auxin is a plant hormone. Xylem responsible for conducting water. Cambium, secondary growth in plant, while cell sap is the medium of transportation in plant. I think you understand that now. Question 12. The following are examples of bacterial disease except dash: A, syphilis, B, measles, C, cholera, D, typhoid. Typhoid, cholera, and syphilis are all bacteria. They are all bacteria. We all know they are all bacteria. The odd one here is the measles. The measles is caused by virus, so which makes the measles to be the correct answer. Question 13. Another name for oviduct is dash: A, uterus, B, fallopian tube, C, ovary, D, placenta. Another name for oviduct is also known as fallopian tube. Ovary is responsible for production of eggs, while placenta works in touch with the uterus, with ovary and uterus, in order to pass fluid to the baby through the umbilical cord. So uterus is also out. So another name for oviduct is the fallopian tube. Question 14. Example of filter feeders include dash: whales, flamingos, oysters, and the mosquito. Mosquito is out. The correct answer here is the whales. Whales is the most common filter feeders that we have. So they normally ask this kind of question, and I want you guys to watch this video finish. Make sure you watch this video finish, this episode 1 finish, because I compile all these questions which I used in studying during my JAMB and really helped me in getting a very good score. So I want you guys to watch this video to the end, and also like the video. For those just joining the video, and for those that haven't liked the video, like the video now, share the video and subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to the channel now. That's the only way you could help me. I know I'm helping you guys, and the only way you could help me back is by subscribing to the channel. So let's continue. Question 15. The hardest material made by animal is the dash, crown, dentine, neck, and the enamel. So the correct answer here is the enamel. Enamel is the strongest, the hardest material, and it is found in the teeth. All this crown, dentine, enamel, and they are all found in the teeth. They are all found in the teeth. So the correct one here is the enamel. Question 16. The enzyme in the saliva is called dash. Thialin is not ptyalin, it's thialin. The P is silent. I'm already teaching you guys English. Renin, pepsin, and gastrin. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to classify all these. All these are also enzymes, but I'll classify so you guys will understand better. For gastrin, gastrin is found in the stomach. Renin is also found in the stomach. Thialin is found in the saliva, while pepsin is found in the kidney. And if you have any other obligation or any other answer to my question, please drop the answer in the comment section so I can look into it. So the correct answer here, as we all know, is the thialin, which is option A. JAMB cannot do without asking this question every year. They always ask this question. When I wrote JAMB, they asked me this question. So note it now. Thialin is the enzyme found in the saliva. Question 17. The liver produces bile. Yes, we all know that. And the bile is stored where? Is it in the liver? Is it in the kidney? Is it in the small intestine? Or is it in the gallstone? It is stored in the gallstone. We all know that liver produces bile. So where is it stored? It is stored in the gallstone. Small intestine, kidney, and liver are out. So the correct answer is the gallstone. Question 18. Before we continue, please like the video. This is the last part. We are already in question 18 and we are going to question 20. Like the video. Go and like it right now. Go and like it right now. Share the video and subscribe. Question 18. The largest organ in the body is dash. I'm going to explain something to you guys here. A, skin. B, liver. C, head. D, brain. The correct answer here is the skin. The skin is the largest organ in body. Liver is also the largest organ in the nervous system. Largest organ in nervous system. I mean internal system. But the largest organ in the nervous system is the brain. The largest organ in nervous system. But the overall largest organ in the body is the skin. Skin is everywhere from the head to the toe, and head is out of the option. Liver is also out, and brain is also out. So question 19. Those that feed only on dead animal are called dash. Scavengers, predator, carnivore, or hummingbird. Hummingbird are filter feeder. They are nectar feeder. They feed on nectar. Carnivore feed on flesh. Predator hunt. They hunt for other animal, and the other animal they hunt for is known as prey. Scavengers are the only one that feed on dead animals. I think with the way I explain, you understand it right now. So the last question, but not which is not the least, the last question for today under episode 1 is the largest part of brain is dash: A, cerebellum, B, medulla, C, skull, and D, cerebrum. The largest part of the brain is the cerebrum. The skull houses the brain. It houses the brain. Why medulla is responsible? It's responsible for heartbeat and digestion. You can screenshot it so you can check it later. Why cerebellum is responsible for balancing in the body. It's responsible for balancing. So I think we've come to the end of this video. We'll be continuing from question 21 in episode 2, and I want you to like this video right now. For those that haven't liked it, share and subscribe. Thank you.